So next I am taking example of 3 cross 3 matrix to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So first of all I am writing the characteristic equation A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0. So that will be 1 minus lambda 2 2 1 2 minus lambda minus 1 minus 1 1 4 minus lambda determinant equal to 0. So solving this determinant we will obtain 1 minus we will obtain this quantity on solving this determinant. One of the choices you multiply this 1 minus lambda inside and then write the coefficients of lambda cube, lambda square and so on. Another choice is you can see from these two things you can take 3 minus lambda out of these two. If you try to factorize this and then observe, if it is possible to take this 3 minus lambda common from all the terms, then it would be easier to solve the cubic equation. So this is lambda minus cube whole square plus 2 3 minus lambda minus 2 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. So these two would cancel. This is plus 2 times, this is minus 3 times. Had it not been cancelled, lambda minus 3 term is here also. So writing minus 1 here and taking lambda minus 3 common from all the terms, you could make the calculations easier in that case. So here the equations have become simpler due to cancellation of these two terms. So what are the eigenvalues we have obtained? 1 and 3 and 3. So the eigenvalue 3 is repeated twice. Number of times the eigenvalue is repeated is known as the algebraic multiplicity. So algebraic multiplicity of 3 is 2 and algebraic multiplicity of this eigenvalue 1 is 1. It is repeated only once. And corresponding to each eigenvalue we will obtain a eigenvector. Let us see how to obtain eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 3 first. So for finding the eigenvectors, you would solve this equation A minus lambda I x is equal to 0 by substituting lambda is equal to 3 first. So let us see what would this equation. So substituting lambda is equal to minus 3 in A minus lambda I. This is actually A minus lambda I determinant. So I will be doing the calculations here only. So 2, 2, 1. This is 2 minus 3. It will be minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, it is 1. So x is unknown. This we have to calculate. Now reduce this matrix to upper triangular matrix first. So I will make these three entries 0. So this will be R2 twice R2 plus R1. So this would be 0 and twice R3 minus R1. So this would be minus 2, 2, 2. So this is 2 minus 2, 0. So this is 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2, this will be 0 and this will be 0, again 0, 0, 0. So now observe, we have 3 unknowns and we have just obtained only one equation. So in this case we have to choose 2 variables as free variables. So again choices here, you can choose any 2 variables as free variables, but since we have these 2 eigenvalues and corresponding to each eigenvalue there is a eigenvector, non-zero eigenvector. So I will be making choice like this. First I will be substituting x as 0. Any 2 variables you can choose. You can choose y and z also, and you can choose x and z also, any 2 variables. But you have to choose 2 variables because rank here is 1, unknowns are 3. So from one equation you have to obtain 2 eigenvectors. So I will be substituting x as 1 first, y as 0, and we'll obtain the corresponding value of z. So it will be when you'll put x as 1, so that z will also come out to be 1. Next time you will put x as 0, y as 1 and obtain the value of z. So this will be minus 1. So these are two eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3. Since 3 was repeated twice, so we have obtained two eigenvectors, and the number of eigenvectors in this thing is called eigenspace. These two vectors in a set, this set is known as the eigenspace of eigenvector lambda is equal to 3, and the number of elements in the eigenspace, they are known as the geometric multiplicity. The number of eigenvalues with same quantity, same if lambda in case of lambda 3 we have obtained this twice, 3 is repeated twice, though that was called algebraic multiplicity. The number of vectors in the eigenspace, that is known as the geometric multiplicity. So a matrix will be diagonalizable only when this algebraic multiplicity is equal to the geometric multiplicity. You can see a case where these two are not equal, then the matrix won't be diagonalizable. Alright, so in this case it is equal, so the matrix will be diagonalizable. For lambda is equal to 1, similarly you can obtain the eigenvector by putting lambda is equal to 1 in this a minus lambda I. So this will be 0, 2, 2, 1, 1, minus 1, and minus 1, 1, and this as we are putting lambda as 1, so this is 3. X, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. So now observe this quantity is 1, 0, the first entry, 1, 1 entry is 0. So it would be better if you make this as non-zero first, but again choice is yours. You can proceed anyway. You can directly convert them into equations to find the values of x, y and z, or you can interchange two rows to obtain first entry as non-zero and then convert it into upper triangular matrix. So I will be doing like this only. I will be what I will do, I will be making this entry and this entry 0 first, and then we'll see if we need to interchange the rows. Okay, so so in order to convert this entry as 0, I will apply r3 plus r2. So this is 0, 2, 2, 1, 1, minus 1. So 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So 3 we have added, so it will be 2. X, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. Alright, so sorry, we were just adding these two rows, so this 1 plus 1 won't be 0, it will be 2 here. Alright, so now I have to convert this entry to 0. So I will use first row now, and I will apply r3 minus r1. So this is 0, 2, 2, 1, 1, minus 1. So now this is 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, and x, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. So now convert back to equations. So this is 2y plus 2z is equal to 0. X plus y minus z is equal to 0. So now you have two equations, three unknowns. One of the variables you can choose to be a free variable, whatever you wish. Let me take x as 1. So now you will have two equations in y and z. Easily you can obtain value of y and z as minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. You can easily calculate. So more simply, I have this vector like this. If I multiply complete vector by 2, so this will be 2 minus 1, 1. So this is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1. We have already eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 3. So now you can make your modal matrix. So this will be your modal matrix. I have written eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 1 on the first place, and these are the eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equal to 3. So when you will calculate P inverse AP, this you have to show in the exam. Okay, you will find P inverse yourself by finding everything like this, then put value of P inverse here, value of A and value of P, and you will prove that by originally calculating that this answer is equal to 100,030,003.